Hey guys, so today we're going to show you how to update your own personal websites. Hopefully at this point you've downloaded Dreamweaver off of the Adobe server. You can get a 30-day free trial, and then hopefully you can attempt to get the student version if you're in an acting class or you are a student. It's significantly less expensive. So the first thing we want to do is go to Finder, and we're going to want to find the Sites folder. Now I've got a lot of different sites here. You're going to want to click the Control New Folder button to create a new folder, and you're going to name it your name, or Bob Smith, whatever your name is. I suggest just naming the folder that. So in Bob Smith, obviously this is a blank folder. We're going to go ahead and go into the Dreamweaver program and click Site, Manage Sites. You're going to click New Site. Now it's going to open you up in the Basic tab. You want to click Advanced. This is actually a lot easier. And you're going to go ahead and input your site name, Bob Smith. Go ahead and click the folder icon under Local Root Folder. Go to Sites and click Bob Smith. Find Bob Smith. Choose. Leave Default Images folder blank. HTTP address. That is your domain name, bobsmith.com. Then you're going to click the Remote Info tab there. Access. Choose FTP. ftp.bobsmith.com. or whatever your name is, Gloria, Asher, whatever it is. Login is the login name, the hosting login name that you created when you managed your hosting account within Green Tea or GoDaddy. After you click that Manage Hosting tab and you set up your username and your password, likely your password is password1, you're going to put those permissions in here. So Bob Smith 1, password 1. You're then going to select Use Passive FTP, and you can click Test. And obviously I'm not connected to the internet right now, so nothing's going to happen, and this domain name doesn't exist. But clicking Test, it should say Dreamweaver has connected to the server successfully. And that'll tell you if the site is working and you're connected to the internet and your local site fine. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a site that has been done as an example here. So this site opens up. This is for Jocelyn Druyan. We're going to go ahead and this is, your site. So you're going to have no record of anything in this folder yet. Right now we have bio, we have an SWF file, which is a song. We have a bunch of her files in here right now. So what you're going to want to do, since you're not going to see any of this, you're going to want to click the green downward Get Files button. You're going to click that. I'm not going to get anything, but you should get, do you want to get files completely? Do you want to get the entire site? A message like that is what you want to receive, and you're going to click OK. The site is going to begin downloading in its entirety. Depending on your internet connection, it can take anywhere from 3 minutes to an hour. It just totally depends on your internet. So once it downloads, that little box is going to go away. You'll have a status message as it downloads. You're going to have a slew of files that are arranged for the most part in the same way. The one that you want to go to first is index.html. This is the hidden page that will come up when somebody puts in your domain name. bobsmith.com will bring up index.html. That's your first page. So if we go ahead and double click on index.html, we get the home page for this actress. And we see we have a graphic down here, we have her headshot, and we've got all of her navigation links. Now all of this right now is the topmost part and the bottommost part is not editable because of the fact that this is a template. A template allows you to edit any of the pages, the inside of them, without having to change anything at the top or the bottom. It's just for ease of use and rapid updating here. So that's how to download your site. Feel free to check out the next tutorial, which is how to work with images and replace your resume.